This was a building that was built in 1906. The project originally started as just doing the galleries.
As we began opening up the chase walls and other parts of the building to accommodate the gallery renovation, we realized that there's a whole bunch of stuff that we can't just leave and put back. And that really was the causation for renovating the entire building.
When we came onto the project, they had to upgrade the plumbing, life safety, and access code compliance. And in doing that, the budget escalated from $15 million and expanded quickly out to $20 million. The conditions throughout the building were unknown for the most part. During the selective demolition phase, we were coming across a lot of unknowns and we had to react quickly. So it was a rapid project. We had to be done with this project in time for the fall semester.
I think communication is the key to anything. We had great communications. I actually had City Point in my office. They shared my office with me, so we talked every minute. It was probably one of the better teams that worked together, and it turned into like a perfect project.
I think where a successful team really shines is if you can keep that design intent throughout construction, maintain cost effectiveness and schedule, and still at the end of the day come up with a project that is reflective of what you started with, but at least this case is much better.
It's much nicer for the students in here. It's a professional gallery that the students use.
As a team, all various stakeholders work together perfectly, and as a result, we have this incredible building and all these perfect galleries for all these incredible pieces of art.